Today I'm going to be installing this wig from True Glory Hair. They sent over this beautiful body wave closure wig at that. I love a good closure. It takes less time than a frontal and easier to install. This hair is given nice and full. I have washed it, I've bleached it, I've plucked it.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, on trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to.
So she's ready to get installed. I'm thinking middle part with some curls because that's just like my go-to look. I love that look. But I'm super excited to be partnering with True Glory Hair today to be installing this wig. I just want to give like a little quick backstory about True Glory. So where I went to high school, True Glory was the hair to have, okay? And just to be where I am now and be able to work with them, never would have thought that would happen, but I definitely rocked True Glory Hair in high school, so I'm excited to be partnering with them now. What? I'm my age here, but 10 years later, here I am working with them on my YouTube channel, so I'm excited about this. So let's get her installed. I have plucked her out to the goods. She looks real good. The hair has air dried. It's so nice and soft and full. So I'm just going to work on cutting the lace off first, and then I'm going to glue it down with just a little bit of holding spray. I'm going to use this Ebon spray, and then I'm going to do a middle part is what I'm thinking. Middle or side? I'm really feeling middle, so I think that's what I'm going to go with. And then I'm just going to do some curls. So let's get to it. Corners off. You got to make sure you get these corners on closure so that way it's going to look seamless and look like you just have on a frontal even though you don't.
I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you.
Right up to the side of my mountain until stressed away from you. Making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something you want to do? If you want it, say the word, I'll try it. And know whatever I'm not fulfilling, another woman is willing. I'm gonna fulfill you my body and spirit. When you come home, tell me on my shoulder, I'll roll over. Baby, I heard you, I'm here to serve. All you need, ain't it some joy? I'm gonna do it. Get up, get up.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
I love how soft and full this hair is. It just looks so healthy, so full. I love the color, love the density, I love how full it is. It's just giving. I mean, come on, True Glory. No wonder I used to rock this hair in high school, because come on, it looks good. Been in the game for years and still top tier. Still has top tier hair, top tier lace. Like, the quality of this hair is just so freaking nice, guys. So if you're interested or looking for you a good closure, honestly, if you're trying to get into some lace, beginner friendly wig, you might want to check out True Glory. The link is going to be in my description bar below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to True Glory Hair for sending over this unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.